Hi guys, it's Lo here again from Nino and Lo, and today it's all about the geraniums and starting them from seed. So I started these geraniums in these little jiffy pucks maybe about less than a week ago. I put the little humidity dome on them, and as you can see through all that water condensation there, they've already started sprouting after about 4 days. Haven't all started sprouting, but I think I've got at least 75% of them sprouting. So I took the lid off now because I figured these seedlings, the leaves have gotten so big. So this is where we're at now. So I've taken the top of the container off, but they're still under the light and they're growing up really nicely. So most of these now have their first set of true leaves coming through. And if you can see under the bottom of these, they have roots poking out as well. So I think it's time to give them a little bit more room to grow and pot them up into my water bottles to give them a little bit more room to grow. I've also put some of them into the red cups. Make sure that you put holes under the bottom for good drainage. You don't want to drown your young seedlings out. And I put them back under the light and they're doing quite well.